Hey guys, so your shop is going to run an AC special and service your air conditioner. But what does that actually mean? Let's take a look. Guys, this is an AC machine. What it's meant to do is put suction or vacuum on your AC system, all of these hoses and condensers and everything in the system. It's going to then boil off water that's inside of that, because in a vacuum, water will boil. And then it's going to measure how much leakage it has. And if it doesn't have any leakage, it's going to put Freon back in it. That's basically what an AC service consists of. So, guys, now you know that's what we do. And this machine is awesome because it does it all. So, if you like this content, follow for more.